Dear friends, if you are using Graphy LMS, then your students may be leaving comments on your video lessons, right? And you are getting emails and you are wondering how to reply or respond to those comments and to the queries your students are dropping on your lessons, right? So in this video, we will see this step by step. It's a very simple procedure. So let's start. So this is our Graphy LMS, one of the Graphy users. Okay, I have access. Okay, so if you want to learn tarot, you can learn tarot with Monica Mehtani. She's really good at tarot coaching. So go to dashboard. Okay, then in the dashboard you have this section called products. Under the products, you have this section called discussions. Okay, discussions. So now there are two courses. One is Desi Tarot for beginners, and this is Tarot Career Guide. And we can see on the Tarot Career Guide, there are total 5 posts and 2 active learners about 8 hours ago. 2 active learners, not in the last 1 month, but about 8 hours. Okay, go to this number 5, click on this. So when you click on this, you get all the comments. Okay, now you can see that Nivedita has commented. Thank you so much, madam. Really very, very grateful to you for sharing your knowledge with us. You can click on comment, put your comment here, appreciate the user, congratulate the user, answer the query. Okay. So do the best, whatever is needful, and click on save. You can also add image. You can also do bold, italic, underline, point, bullet points. You can also add a link. So I have been saying that this Graphy LMS is really good. You just need to use it. Okay. And if you want to take your digital coaching business to the next level, you want complete setup, you want to rule your business category, then I am here to support you. And I will surely help you in becoming a world-class digital coach, whatever is your niche. Okay. I will help you set up your LMS, lead magnet, your courses, curriculum, niche clarity, your videos, your SEO, YouTube SEO, online presence, everything, right? So that's all. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Take care.